Hi guys, so we are going to continue from where we stopped in the previous video. Today we'll be talking about the sign rule in subtraction of integers. To subtract an integer, add its opposite. The opposite of 14 is minus 14. So the example, 6 minus 13 is what? Minus 7. How did we get the result? Based on the previous video, we said that when there are different signs, we subtract. So here there is an invisible uh, addition. So 6 minus 13 will give you 7. And the sign with the greater number, which is 13, will be added in the result. The sign is negative, so the result will have what? A negative sign. So for the second one, 8 minus minus 15 is 8 plus 15 equal to 23. How did we get the result? When there are two signs without a number in between, we multiply. We are still going to go into that multiplication aspect soon. So here there are what? The same sign. Minus times minus will give you plus. It automatically turns to what? Positive. 8 plus 15 will give you what? 23. And you don't need to add any sign here because it's already positive, so it will still carry positive. Everybody know how to add numbers. So for the third one, still the same thing. 16 minus minus 21. There is an invisible, because there is no number in between the minus signs, there is an invisible multiplication here. Do you understand? So minus times minus will automatically give you what? Plus. 16 plus 21, what do you have? 37. There is no negative sign here, so you don't need to add any negative sign in the result. Then for the fourth one, we have minus 20 minus 15 equal to minus 35. Based on our previous video, we said that when there are the numbers have the same sign, we do what? We add, irrespective of whether it's negative or positive. As long as both numbers have the same sign, we what? Add. So 20 minus 15 will give you, adding it together, it will give you what? 35. But you will still add that negative number, because the number that carries the sign that carries the greater number is still what? 20. And it has what? Negative sign. So you still add that negative sign to the result. Then for E, we want to go extend the addition and subtraction a little bit. We have 7 minus 9 plus 3 minus 17. Normally, you can still add this together at once. But as I told you guys, I didn't start this lesson for just people that are smart, but people that are also having difficulties in solving mathematics. So what's the best way to approach this question? Using board maths, we already know that addition comes first before subtraction. So what are the numbers that are positive here? 7 and 3. You first carry them, rearrange them, bring it down. 7 plus 3, then continue. Minus 9 minus 17. 7 plus 3 is what? 10. Minus 9 minus 17 is what? Minus 26. 10 minus 26 is what? Minus 16. By now, we should be familiar with this because they have different signs. Since you didn't see any sign connected to 10, you should already know that is what? Plus. A positive sign here. So when there are different signs, you do what? You subtract. And the sign that carries the greater number is what you are going to use in the result. So we have minus 16. If you decide to solve this straight, the equation 7 minus 9 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 is what? 1. Plus 1. Plus 1 minus 17 will still give you minus 16. But this is the best way to approach it. Why I use board maths is for you to get conversant with it. So let's go to the last question. Minus 5 plus 19 minus 8 minus 4. rearrange. So the first positive number we have is what? 19. We don't have any other positive number. So we continue. 19 minus 5. No need to add this positive sign again because the number is at the beginning, and since it's positive, you don't need plus. 19 and 19, they are still the same. So minus 5, 19 minus 5 minus 8 minus 4. 19 minus 5 is what? 14. Minus 5 minus 8 minus 4 will give you what? Minus 12. The same sign you add, then add the number with the add the sign with the greater number, which is negative sign. 14 minus 12 will give you 2, or plus 2. They are still the same thing. So hope you people understood this explanation. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.